What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another day. Today is day 25 of the 30 days of wholesaling houses. Now, for those that have no idea what I'm talking about, I decided for the month of May to do step-by-step daily videos showing you step-by-step how to wholesale houses and make $5, $10, $15, $20,000 a month wholesaling houses. By the way, guys, for those that have no idea who I am, my name is Saenz. I'm a 23-year-old real estate entrepreneur. I started real estate investing, real estate wholesaling at the age of 18, and over the last few years, I've wholesaled and flipped a few hundred homes, and I want to show you exactly how I did it on this channel. So with that said, let's dive right into day 25. Let's go. Guys, here we are. Day 25 is here. We are almost finished with the 30 days of wholesaling houses. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing the top 5 ways to find cash buyers. Guys, here we go. So the first method that I recommend is going to be, and by the way, this is an absolutely free method. It's going to be Facebook groups. Here we are in my personal Facebook, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So on Facebook, there happens to be nationwide wholesaling groups, nationwide real estate investment groups, and then there's also your local real estate group. So we have a group called All In Wholesaling. And in this group, we have over, I believe, 12,000, almost 12,000 members. And you can go into a group like this and quickly post, you can make a post, hey, any buyers in Phoenix, Arizona. As you begin to, market for leads, you begin to talk to sellers, negotiate, and then when you have a deal, this is a really quick way that you can get hands being raised when it comes to buyers in that market. So if you have a deal in Phoenix, you can post, hey, any buyers in Phoenix. If you have a deal in Vegas, you can post in our group. So the All-In Wholesaling Group is a great resource where you can go in and start communicating and networking with different types of investors from all over the country. There's another group also called Wholesaling Houses Full Time. This is my buddy's group. I believe there's over 100,000 people. Yep, 103,000 people. You can join this group, Wholesaling Houses Full Time. 103,000 people in this group, and you can post, if you have a deal in a certain city. Never post the address on the description. Just put, hey, any buyers in, Chicago, Illinois. So go post in whatever city you have a deal in, but you can utilize Facebook groups like this. You can go to, Arizona Real Estate Investments. So let's go Arizona Real Estate search, and then we go to groups, and then here we are, Arizona Real Estate Investors, 1.3K, 3.4K. So you can start posting in all these groups and asking, hey, who's actively buying in Phoenix, who's actively buying in Arizona. I have a deal here, I have a deal there. And you can go to any state and just search, Nevada real estate. You can go to the All-In Wholesaling Group, Wholesaling Houses Full Time. And I believe our buddy Max Maxwell has a group, Wholesaling Houses Elite. So you can also check that group out. But yeah, just go to your Facebook and check that out. This is a great way to start getting conversations in the door from active buyers all over the country. Guys, the number 2 way to find cash buyers is going to be Craigslist. This is also a free method that I'm going to be showing you guys. So here we are in our Phoenix Craigslist. This is my local Craigslist. You can go to wherever city you're in, but we're going to go to housing and then real estate for sale. You can create an account, and then you can post a ad. Let's see if we can find one. Properties wanted. So we buy houses. We buy houses cash, but you can make a post of the deal that you have. Don't put the address in the post, but you can put, like this one says Glendale Home. Just don't put the address. Have people reach out to you. Make sure you ask them questions. Hey, are you actively buying? Hey, how many flips and projects are you doing yearly? So you can start vetting and having conversations with buyers, because look, today's day 25. We've gone over what is wholesaling, how to market for leads, how to talk to sellers, how to get a deal under contract, what to do at an appointment. So now that you have a deal, the next step is, after you open escrow with the title company, the very next step is to sell the deal. So Craigslist can be a great tool to post your ads, your posts for free, so you can get buyers raising their hand and start having conversations with buyers so you can sell your deal. Guys, resource number 3 to find cash buyers is going to be local meetups. What I mean by local meetups is every state has a meetup or a group of investors that meet once or twice a month that you can go start shaking some hands and really just start networking with people actually doing deals. This is a great way to get in front of real people doing real deals. A lot of the relationships that we have where we wholesale deals to, our top VIP buyers, we've met them at meetups because, we're face to face, we can communicate, we can network, and we can just exchange value. So meetups are a great way. A resource that I recommend is meetup.com. You can go on meetup.com, and this is a nationwide platform where you can start looking at the meetups that are happening in your city. You can go to, see all, and then you can search, let's search real estate. And then here we go. You have Real Estate Wholesaling Mastermind, Real Estate Investing, Alpha Cash Flow Club. So you can start going to these meetups. Obviously, COVID is still, a little iffy right now, but, over time, as it clears up, you can start going and presenting yourself as an investor, because that is what you are, especially if you followed every single video that I've posted on this channel. You should have enough in your tool set, and you should have enough skills by now to be a active real estate investor, real estate wholesaler. So meetup.com is a great resource that you can locate meetups happening in your city. Another resource is your Real Estate Investors Association. So here I am on Arizona Real Estate Investors Association. These are referred to as RIAs, Real Estate Investment Associations. But here I am in our local Arizona one. You can go to your Nevada RIA, New York RIA, Florida RIA, Texas RIA, and every single month, these are typically the biggest meetups that happen in the city. See, here we have, our June monthly meetup coming up June 8th, 5:15. Main meeting is going to be about how to become a deal architect, find deals and money during and after a pandemic. So guys, this is probably the most legit meetup that you're going to find in your city, because this is literally put on by the top association when it comes to local meetup. But yeah, I would definitely go to these. If you happen to have deals under contract, go hand out a few business cards, start networking, let people know, hey, are you looking for any fix and flips? I may have a project that you may be interested. Exchange information, shoot them the address. They're going to make an offer, or you tell them the price that you want, and it is really that simple. So put yourself in a situation where you're gonna win by going to local meetups. Guys, resource method number 4 is going to be a service that I've used the last 2 years, and it's called Cash Buyers Plus. Here we are on Cash Buyers Plus. Cash Buyers Plus is a ready for you list. I really love Cash Buyers Plus because it comes with thousands of cash buyers, and it comes also with emails and phone numbers for some of them, but this is a cash buyers list that you can get immediately for a very small investment. You can go to cashbuyersplus.com. The link will be in the description. Guys, so here's how it works. We're gonna go to buyers list. Let this bad boy load, and here we are on the checkout page. So we're gonna click on state. I'm in Arizona. So guys, with this list, it comes with thousands of cash buyers and realtors that you can start calling. It comes with emails and phone numbers. It's a ready for you list. You buy it, it is emailed to your email, and you can start calling cash buyers right away in an attempt to sell your deals. I'm gonna be giving you guys a coupon code here shortly, but here is where you can go. You can go in Arizona. They have every single state. They have Texas, thousands and thousands of cash buyers, Minnesota, Mississippi, Iowa, Indiana, Illinois, Wyoming. Every single state is on here, so you can go click on the state that you're doing deals in and check out. And as you check out, I'm gonna be providing a coupon code here. The coupon code is FREEDOM. So if you put FREEDOM, you're gonna get $75 off your purchase. So apply code FREEDOM, and there it is. It works. So $75 off, $324. Look, if you're on a budget, go with the free methods to sell your deals and find cash buyers. If you have closed a few deals and you want to invest into your business, a $324 charge for a list of cash buyers where you can make $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 extra on your deals by just having quality cash buyers is a no-brainer. So cashbuyersplus.com, this is an active list that we use. We sent email blasts with MailChimp.com to this list. We've texted the numbers for the cash buyers, and we have cold callers calling cash buyers and vetting them and asking them if they're still flipping, what kind of deals are they looking for, how much cash are they looking to spend, and then how many projects they can handle at any given time. So you start vetting your buyers, you start building relationships, and this is a great way to literally skip the line, get a ready list for you, and then just start cold calling them and cultivating relationships so you can start selling your deals faster. Guys, so 4 was Cash Buyers Plus. The link will be in the description so you can check that out on your own time. And guys, for method number 5, this is a strategy that is used all over the country. It's used extremely well here in Phoenix, and that is going to be Bandit Signs. Now, before I go into the Bandit Signs, these are not your We Buy Houses signs. A Bandit sign for finding cash buyers is a little bit different, and I want to show you exactly how it looks like. So here we are on dirtcheapsigns.com. Guys, I'm providing this resource because this is, something you could do online. If you have the time and you want to go to Hobby Lobby and just get a few poster boards and write them yourself, you can very well do that. But Dirt Cheap Signs, for the sake of this example, I want to just simplify it and show you how the sign looks so you can start using Bandit Signs to sell your deals. So here we are on the main home page of Dirt Cheap Signs. We're going to go to Yard Signs, and here we have our templates. We're going to go to Investor Sign Templates, and here you have all the We Buy Houses, and if you just scroll down, here it is. This is the design that I recommend for you guys to use when it comes to selling your deal. So you do handyman special, you do 3-bed, 2-bath. I actually think that, I would recommend to write them yourself when it comes to selling your deals, because you don't need to put 100 out. Say you have a property in a certain area, you would, put about, 5 to 10 Bandit signs in the street corners surrounding that area. So, say the house is in the middle, just, put 5 to 10 around the neighborhood so you can get traction and calls within that area. But this is the message that it should say. So handyman special, 3-bed, 2-bath, worth, you put 160, asking 100,000, and then you put your number. Make sure that you use Callroll or Vumber or Google Voice, but here you would put your number. So this type of sign just creates a lot of curiosity. I know investors that just sell their deals by this alone. They get a house in West Phoenix and they flood the area with a handyman special sign, and then they get a ton of calls, and then they sell their deals for top price. But again, I want to remind you, when it comes to selling deals, you're looking for cash buyers. They have to close with cash or hard money, and hard money is a loan from a lender, which is just the same as cash. So handyman, Bandit sign is a great way to find cash buyers and start building your list. Make sure that you organize all your cash buyers, keep them in an Excel, keep them in your, contact list. We use Investor Automation, the Hercules Podio, which we keep all our cash buyers there. Just keeps it really organized. Investor Automation is what we use to, for our CRM and Podio. I do have a video on that. You can check that out. But here we have it, guys. Bandit signs are a great way to find cash buyers. Guys, and that is it for day 25 of the 30 days of wholesaling houses. I hope you guys took a lot of gems within this video. Make sure you like, comment down below on any questions you have, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And then, by the way, we do have over 50 plus podcast episodes, and some of them we talk about how to find cash buyers and how to sell your deal for a top price. So make sure you check out our all-in podcast. You can find the link in the description. And also, if you'd like instant access to content, we do have a wholesaling course that we offer. You can find the link in the description. You will not regret it. And guys, we are almost done with the 30 days of wholesaling houses. I can't express how grateful I am for you guys, the continuous support, the love, the engagement. Thank you to everyone watching this. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you tomorrow in day 26. Let's go.